Hello everyone, Dr. Emmerich here. Today I'm going to walk you through adjusting your ProSomnus IA device. As you begin therapy, you'll be initially given 4 trays, which allow for 3 millimeters of advancement. And all you have to do to make the adjustments is swap out one tray for the other. Additional trays can be ordered as well to advance further if needed. It typically takes about 2 weeks for a new tray to arrive, which aligns well with most treatment timelines. To demonstrate, let's quickly take a look at the ProSomnus IA. Now, as I said before, you will initially start with 4 trays. Each tray will be marked with either a U or an L along with a number. So you can kind of see here on the sides. We've got L for lower and U for upper. And the numbers are what you'll use to help you titrate and advance your device. Initially, we start with the L0, U0. And as we advance, we will exchange the L0 for the L1. And then we can move on to the U2 and L0. And finally, the U2 and L1 trays. Basically what you're doing is you're adding the numbers together to determine how far advanced you've been. Okay, and now you can post the titration on your record sheet, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments, or you can contact us by email or phone call. We've got our contact information listed below. You can also Google us at Ohio Sleep Treatment for more information on our website. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.